Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. Sagicor Investments Jamaica continues to lead the unit trust market with nearly half of the assets under management. That's according to the regulator of the securities market, the Financial Services Commission, FSC. In the span of 1 year, unit trusts and mutual funds climbed in value by more than $30 billion from $181 billion to $211 billion at the end of September 2017. This is approximately a 17% increase. According to the weekly trade report published by fund managers, the various unit trust products on the market are yielding annual returns of anywhere between 0.55% and 6.6%. The current $211 billion estimate of funds under management in the FSC's most recent industry report for the September quarter does not include proven fund managers, which made its market entry in the fall, growing the number of fund managers to 8. The new managing director of the Clarendon-based alumina plant Jamalco, Austin Mooney, is promising to make the alumina plant more competitive. Mooney, who has almost 35 years' experience in the bauxite alumina industry, said the company will also recommit to building better partnerships with its communities and stakeholders. He says Jamalco is poised for growth, but this can only be achieved with the input of all employees and other stakeholders. The alumina boss says the company has all the ingredients to surpass its previous achievements and continue to be the leader of the industry. The Bank of Jamaica's demonetization regime goes into effect this week. The central bank will on Thursday demonetize the 1, 10, and 25-cent coins. This means that the bank will cease making these coins, and after a certain time they will no longer be legal tender. However, even after the coins are no longer legal tender for transactions, the Bank of Jamaica will indefinitely continue to redeem them for face value. Chief of the Banking and Market Operations Division at the Central Bank, Natalie Hines, says the coins are being demonetized after a decrease in demand.
When we looked at the data for the period between 2005 and 2016, when we did our analysis, the demand for those coins declined significantly. For the 25 cent, that declined from 11.1% of the coins in circulation to 1.6% by 2016. And similarly, for the 10 cent, that declined from 14.2% of the coins in circulation to 2%.
In the meantime, the Bank of Jamaica has outlined the changes that will be implemented for transactions involving coins. For cash transactions, the bill will be rounded up or down to the nearest dollar depending on the amount.
So if you go to the supermarket and your bill is, say, $40.49, and you're paying by a credit card or a check, then you pay the supermarket $40.49. However, if you're using cash to pay, then that 49 cents is going to be rounded down, right? Because between the 1 cent and 49 cents, we round down to the nearest dollar. So you would give the supermarket $40 in that case. And if the transaction ends in 50 cents to 99 cents, you round up to the next dollar.
In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 1,896 points to close at 297,091. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 45 stocks, of which 21 advanced, 21 declined, and 3 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 25 points to close at 2,926. Among the winners were AMG Packaging and Paper, Carreras, Siboney Group, General Accident Insurance, and Grace Kennedy. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, Access Financial, Berger Paints, Cable and Wireless, and Caribbean Cement. Stocks traded firm for Cargo Handlers, Jamaica Producers, and Proven Investments. 1834 Investments was the volume leader with over 1 million units, followed by Pulse Investments with 919,864 units, and Jamaica Broilers with 709,823 units. On the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $126.47. It's costing $98.64 for the Canadian dollar, while the pound sterling is being sold for $173.10 and the euro for $153.20. News in oil. Oil prices stabilized on Monday, recovering some of last week's steep losses as global equities steadied after their biggest one-week slide in 2 years. Brent crude futures fell 20 cents to settle at $62.59 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures gained 9 cents to settle at $59.69 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.